My name is Laurel Swaney. I work for Sellen Construction in Bellevue, Washington. I'm a senior VDC engineer. I've been a Revizto user for about 4 years now. One of the biggest and most simple return on investment metrics that we have from our project is simply the amount of time it was taking us to open the previous file types and going over to Revizto. So in previous times with the different software, it took us an hour or more to open the files every day if you chose to close it at the end of the day. And with Revizto, it's taking us 5 minutes or less. So that's across a team of up to 30 people. 15 or so of those are opening it every single day. That's hours and hours and hours of saved time actually getting to get in the tool and do what you're trying to do. We use the clash detection tool very heavily during our BIM coordination formal phase, and that's daily for 6 months, sometimes more. The issue tracker we are using every day, constantly. Internally, my company's teams are using it to collaborate amongst ourselves and collaborate with our subcontractors, and the subs are also in there daily. One of my favorite features in Revizto is the sheet overlay tool, and mostly because it's one of the things that impresses our field teams the most. When they see the tool, they get really excited, and that's what gets them to want to use Revizto. I've also used the sheet overlay to set up a manual overlay of a rebar detail in a meeting with a group of superintendents who maybe didn't have trust in the model in the past, and them seeing that and going, oh, that's really cool that Laurel just did that. It's a big win. So that tool has really provided a lot of wins for me in kind of convincing these really hard to get folks. Project engineer team, as well as our foreman team, they use the app on the iPad daily in the field. A lot of it is to do QC, pre-pour walks, things like that. We're looking for items that need to be present before concrete is poured. So sleeves, embeds, all that kind of stuff. They're using a combination of the drawing overlay, the model, and the drawing itself on the app version of Revizto to check all that stuff off. And if there's something missing, we're able to use the issue tracker in that moment to create an issue that, hey, there's something missing in this pour, we need to get it fixed right away. One of my most successful pieces of having used Revizto over the past few years is that we've been able to move from internal collaboration to external collaboration on one Revizto project. So that's bringing in subcontractors from all across the project to use the model. Viewing it all in the same place makes a huge difference. There's so much time savings on file upload, file download, sharing files with various parties that are involved and need to see updated model content. We're not going to run into the issue of, oh, this person got sent a model 6 months ago and they never got an update. We could say, here's Revizto, this is current. And that's been extremely helpful. Having the subs inside Revizto with us, using the issue tracker, able to collaborate on issues, all very efficiently has made a huge difference in us. One, creating a real good, strong team dynamic, and two, being as efficient as we possibly can be.